Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach you guys how to install ditch brackets on your Lexus LX570. I have the facelifted model. This is a 2016. Check this out. So it's very simple. They all sort of install the same way. You have two bolts right here. These are 12 millimeter. What you want to do is you want to undo the top one first. Then with the hand, start threading this guy in, of course with the ditch bracket on. You'll know because you can dry fit these and they'll look right. You just eyeball it. So you get the first one on, then what you want to do, you want to tighten this guy pretty good, like hand tight, really tight. Because what happens is, as you can see, this is the hood and this is the bracket that attaches the hood to your vehicle. What you want is you don't want these two to slide away from each other. What happens is it'll slide up and down, and if you don't tighten this bolt, what happens is then the bottom one, when you go to do it, won't line up right. It's going to want to cross thread instead of going straight in. It's going to want to go diagonal. So then you have to have a second hand up here, making sure that it's nice and good, and then start it by hand really good. It becomes a really difficult task when you do it that way. The best way that I found to do it is tighten the fucking shit out of this one really good, just enough that you can grab from here. Of course, you tighten it and it's out of the way so you can actually reach this bottom one. Then you just muscle it on, get it where you want it, get this guy to be real close. Then start this one by hand, just like so. Then you're able to tighten it nice and good. Of course, as you can see, I'm still trying to get this guy in there. You want to make sure the entire bolt is on there. So now that I have it like this and like this, I'll go ahead and bust my torque wrench on this one. Then I'll loosen this guy and bust my torque wrench on that guy to whatever factory spec it is. I have not done the factory spec on these guys yet. So yeah, that's what I did for this side and for this side. Of course, they are mirror images of each other. They are identical. And that's it. It's super simple. And then, by the way, I know it's got all these plastic covers and stuff. I recommend, just in general, what I do is I just never run those plastic covers ever. I just keep them off full time. The only cover I have is this engine cover right here. But that is it. There is nothing to it. It is super simple and very easy to do. Like I said, just a 12 millimeter right here. 4 of them on this guy. I mean, it is fucking solid on there. Yeah, that's how you do the ditch light brackets on a Lexus LX570. If you have any questions, please put them down below. I don't imagine that it's going to be any different for the pre-facelift model. Lexus, they don't like to change these type of things, but it might be, because I know there is actually a different hood because of the headlight and grille shape. Any questions you guys have, just go ahead and comment below and I'll go ahead and do whatever I can to answer them. All right, take care, drive safe, and have a good day.